there, this is Kelly and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel and the final day of the Be Bold release. Today I'm starting out with a small stamp set called Truly Great Friend. It says truly a great friend is hard to find, difficult to leave, and impossible to forget. It also has thank you for being a truly great friend and you are the greatest. This stamp set also has a die set. It has a cute little scalloped and stitched frame that fits perfectly around that large stamp, and then also a smaller stitch die, or scallop die that goes perfectly with those small little sentiments at the bottom. Let me give you a look at what this looks like when it's stamped and die cut. So I've stamped this onto an A2 size card. So that is the main or the large stamp in that group. And then I have used the little frame. You can use it just like that, just to surround your little stamped image. You can stamp onto the center part of that die cut. So that will cut out two parts. There's a cut line right around that scallop line, and then there's a cut line right around the middle, so you can either use a straight edge or the scalloped design. Also, all of those little sentiments fit perfectly in the smaller scallop die, so you can add your little thank you there, or you can add it to the inside of your card, just whatever you would like to do with this truly great friend stamp and die set. Let me give you some ideas from our design team members, and I love the way that Galena has used this stamp set. So she stamped it, she did some embossing and some awesome ink blending with rainbow colors, and then has a glittery border. Now this stamp set is called Warm Wishes. I love this little fox he has on his winter sweater, and then there are lots of designs that you can either add on to that cute little sweater or use for backgrounds and different designs on your cards. So you have sending warm hugs or sending warm wishes. And this is the coordinating die set that goes along with this Warm Wishes stamp set. So you have the main image of the little fox, you have the warm word, you have a little banner there, and then all of the little accessories that can be used on his little sweater or as little background ideas and little pieces. So here are these images stamped and cut out. There's that sweet little fox, warm, and then all of the cute little designs. You can see there how that little argyle pattern just fits right there into his winter sweater. And then there's also a little heart, a rainbow, a little pumpkin, flower, star, Christmas tree, a little four-leaf clover, another little snowflake pattern, and an apple. So you could use this into the fall and spring. So cute. This is how Kaya designed her card. I love his little Christmas sweater. He's so stinking cute. Next up is the teacher stamp set. So you have that beautiful scripty teacher word, and you have world's best, special, thank you, and award, best for the most, rad teacher, I love that, goes to you, awesome, you get an A+, amazing, and you made a difference. Those are awesome. What great teacher cards those would make. Great for thank yous. And for this beginning of school little teacher gifts. So the die set has that beautiful scripty teacher. It has a basic shadow or background, and then you get that third pierced shadow as well. I've cut these dies out of some cardstock so you can see exactly what they look like. So you have that beautiful teacher scripty word, the basic shadow there in white, and then the yellow pierced shadow. So cute. Now, Ilda has made a beautiful card using some of the apples, that teacher, and a thank you. Super cute. And then Joanne has made a beautiful fall card, World's Best Teacher Award. I like that one. Now this is the angular banner set. Now there are 8 dies in this set. I had to count them real quick. So you get lots of different dies in this little package. and I've cut these out so you can see exactly what they're going to look like when they're die cut. So this is perfect for the little words that you want to add onto your card. All those little sentiments that may be found with the larger scripty words would be perfect on some of these little angular banners. Super cute. Some of them have the little fishtail in, some of them are straight or diagonal cut. Lots of different options and lots of different ways to use these little angular banner dies. So cute. And I love that they look like they're a little bit wavy. There's some motion and some dimension to these. Now I love Carol's card. I love that she used the little teacher description words and put that on the chalkboard using the angular banners. And also Kaya, the sending warm wishes, and she heat embossed the white embossing powder onto those black angular banners. Super cute. Now this next die set is called Bunch of Bouquets, and it is exactly what the name says. So there's all types of different vessels for your flowers, as you can see there. There's little pots, there's a watering can, there's vases, and then there's all types of different flowers that either layer together or you can use them on their own. I've cut these out of different colored cardstock to give you a look at these. So this little part you can either use like as a little base to your little pots, add some color. You could use it as a skinny upright vase. You can see the little watering can there, there's stems, and then all kinds of little flowers that you can layer. Those were layered together. Those are layered and you see the little dot in the middle there. Cute. All different shapes and sizes. Little stems and leaves to fill in. You can see how easy this is. I'm just kind of throwing this together super quickly. And you can see how cute and how fast that little bouquet just goes together. Super cute. And there's no rhyme or reason to any of it. Super easy, super cute. I love it. Those are my favorite kind of dies to use. Now I'm going to switch out some of these little containers so you can see how different they are and how cute all of them are with the same little bouquet that I put together. So easy, so cute, so versatile, and just fun to play with. Now I love these inspiration pieces from First is Ilda. I love her watering can. She colored it metallic silver looking. So cute. And then this beautiful wreath from Melissa. I love her color choices, and any teacher would be so lucky and happy to receive this card. Now this has been the final day of the Honeybee Stamps Be Bold release. Make sure you check out honeybeestamps.com for more information. Bye bye.